Hello dear children, today we will be doing a very interesting activity given in lesson 5. This activity name is Mirror Games. All you need is your textbook and a small mirror that is in rectangle or a square shape. It should have straight edges so that you can keep on your book to check. Okay, if it is having curved edges, it cannot touch the surface of the book, so you need this kind of mirror. So this is the first question. Here is a picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line, then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What you will see is like figure A. So this is a figure of a dog. Here we can see a dotted line, and if we place the mirror on the dotted line, so we can see the same image that is given here in figure A. See, it's the same, and this part is hidden. We can't see this part. So this is the place where we have to keep the mirror to get this figure, isn't it? Now look at the figure in the white box. Here is another figure. On which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? To get this shape, where we should place the mirror, whether vertically or horizontally. Also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line. So when you see carefully, here there are two dotted lines. One is vertical line and the other is horizontal line. Now we have to guess where to keep the mirror, like this or like this, to get this image. So what will happen when we keep a mirror like this? We'll get this kind of image, and there is no face over here. So this is wrong. We should get the face, and the same thing is reflected. So we can see that it should be placed right over here to get this image. See, this is the image, and this is the one we are getting when we are keeping the mirror vertically. So this line is the correct axis or line of symmetry for this figure. So we have to tick here. Okay, this is the position where we have to keep the mirror. Tick this line. Now let's move to page number 75. Now make a line on the box, on the white box, to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. This is the figure of a dog, and we should get this kind of figure after keeping the mirror. So where we should keep the mirror? So somewhere in the middle we have to keep the mirror. Now can you see the same figure is formed here? See, there are two faces, and these two triangles also we can see. Here also we can see two triangles, one on the top and one at the bottom, and the same image. Okay, I'll keep like this so that you can see. Now I think you can see the same image, isn't it? Half in the mirror and half in the textbook, and this part is hidden. The leg portion is, this leg portion is hidden because of the mirror. So where you will keep the mirror, at that place you have to draw a dotted line to show the position of the mirror. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now look at this figure, figure D. This is the white box, this is the image of a dog. Now we should arrange the mirror in such a way that we get this shape. Okay, So where we have to place the mirror, here we can see only the head portion. So somewhere near the neck we have to keep, isn't it? See, I got the same image here, what is given here in the answer. So this is the place to keep the mirror. We have to mark it with a pencil in a dotted line. Okay, now let's move to figure E. So in figure E, here is the white box. This is the full picture of the dog. We have to keep the mirror here in such a way that we get this shape. So where I should keep the mirror? Head position, and the tail part can be seen. So can I keep it here? Yes. So see here, both are looking same. The figure here and here are same. So this is the position of the mirror. So put a line over here. Okay. Now we will see question F. Here is a white box and you can see the dog picture, and this kind of thing we should get by placing the mirror. So we can see the head and one leg. So somewhere here we have to keep it. See, if I keep it here, I can see the head and leg. Head and leg, same thing in the mirror. And this is also the same thing. Here triangular part can be seen. See, in the mirror also I can see that. You cannot see fully here because I have to bend the mirror. Okay, now I hope you can see. Yes, we got the same image. So here is we should put the line to get this image, isn't it? Yes. Now let's play some more mirror games given in page number 76. Winky has made a red and white shape. So this is the shape he has made. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. So this is the shape he has made. To get this kind of figure, where we should place the mirror. So first one they have shown here using the dotted line. Now what will happen if I place the mirror like this? I am not getting this figure now. See, what I am getting is something else. This is not matching because the way I have kept the mirror is wrong. See, I can see this part. It's coming like an arrow. It is reflected here. So I should keep the mirror facing to this position. Now it is looking the same. See, half of the thing is here and half is in the mirror. This is the same as given here, isn't it? Yes. Now the same way we have to show for this one, figure B. Here you can see the L shape, isn't it? So this part will come. Again I will place the mirror here. Okay, I can see the same image. Let me move my hand. Yes, this is same as this, what we see, half reflection and half in the book. And this part is hidden behind the mirror. So here we have to put the line. Yes, this is the place. Now let us see for figure C. To get this shape, where we should place the mirror. We can see something standing here, blocks standing, and the same thing is repeated here. So we will not use this, we will use this. So we have to place the mirror in this direction, isn't it? Can you see now? Let me show you. Yes, perfect, isn't it? I can see the same image that is found here next to it. So the line should be here. This is the line to place the mirror. We have to put line here. Once you keep your mirror, take your pencil and put a line once you get the same figure. Now let's see for figure D. So this is the figure what Winky has made, and he has got this by placing the mirror. Some V shape is coming here, isn't it? And this part is not as this, but this is the same as this one. So same thing is reflected here also. So I should keep the mirror somewhere here to get the V shape, isn't it? Can you see? If I place the mirror here, I can get the same image as here for this one. Yes, so I should put the line here. Now let's move to the last one. A beautiful reflection is shown here. Now what is this? Little tricky, no? But we'll try. This part is same as this, and this block is same. Same thing is repeated here. So I feel that we should keep it here somewhere. Okay, perfect. Can you see? This and what we got here are same. It's so much fun to play such games, isn't it? You also try out. Be careful while holding here. The edges and corners will be sharp. So you wear some gloves if you have at home and hold the mirror. Okay? Be careful.